Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank. The day has finally arrived. The landscape and block wall with gates has been completed. This has been a long process which occurred during the southern Utah summer months, ranging in the low triple-digit temperatures. This work involved many contractors in an area with a shortage of specialized skill disciplines. I think it looks fantastic, and it sure has come a long ways from what it used to be. There's really not much else I can say, so let's take a walk around. The Dixie area is fueled by retirees from Salt Lake City, California, and other areas of the U.S. For the past decade, this area of approximately 150,000 has seen the largest percentage of growth of any other area in the U.S. Folks who have lived and moved here believe the open land is intended to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching this landscape series. Now it's time for me to get back in there and take care of the garage.